In front of me is CHUWI HiPad X, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So first of all, enroll the list of all apps, go to Settings then, and click on System. Go to Date and Time, and here you can smoothly switch off Automatic Time Zone, and now you can pick the time zone that you'd like to apply. And also you can turn off a network provided time, and then set the date and time. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, just click on automatic time zone and also network or GPS provided time. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.